What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Wednesday. So today I want to go over my Robinhood portfolio. I am going to make a couple of changes to my investing strategy with my Robinhood portfolio. So keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. You guys can do whatever you want. Make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button to follow me here on YouTube. So I am going to stop investing into the Yieldmax funds. And the reason why I am not going to put more money into the Yieldmax funds is because they have too much NAV erosion. And from what I've been seeing, even though the whole overall market has been struggling, I know that for a fact. I mean, I know a lot of people's portfolios right now are struggling, but Yieldmax has just been doing horrible. Like all the funds that I have in my portfolio, YMAG, Tesla, Nvidia, Phoebe, Coney, Nefli, MSTY, AMZ, these are doing, even FEPI and AIPI are struggling right now, but from what I've seen, FEPI and AIPI have recovered their NAV, at least in a good market. They're more stable from what I've seen. These Yieldmax funds struggle to recover their basically their distribution. So for example, if YMAX pays me 20 cents per share of a dividend, it struggles to get that 20 cents back. It's not like for example, a Realty Income, where Realty Income pays 26 cents per share every single month, but it recovers the 26 cents. Unlike YMAX or a Tesla or a Nvidia, a Coney. I mean, Coney, I'm getting destroyed. You guys can see here, I'm down 51%. My market value has, I remember I had $6,000 going to Coney, and I'm only at $3,000. So I don't see the benefit of holding on to funds that just keep eroding. So we can also compare Tesla and TSLP. So Tesla is from Yieldmax. I'm down 33%. I've had Tesla for maybe like a month or two. And we go to TSLP from Curve. I've had this for like maybe a month and a half. And I'm up. I'm actually up. I'm doing better in the Curve ETF than I am in the Yieldmax. So I don't understand why Yieldmax can't basically do what Curve does. It just doesn't make any sense. I keep putting more money in the fund keeps on dropping. The dividends get smaller as the fund keeps on eroding. It doesn't make sense to hold on to funds or keep buying more funds that keep performing this way. So my plan heading on forward is to stop investing into Yieldmax. I'm going to keep my current positions, get my dividends, and use those dividends to pay back margin and buy better stable funds. So I'm going to be buying more XDTE, SPY-T, TSLP, QQQT, Realty Income, XPay, MSFY, AAPY, Goop, FEPI, NFLP, AIPI. So if I could eventually get my money back in some of these Yieldmax funds, like maybe Misty and AMZY, I'll eventually just sell the fund, put the money elsewhere, or put the money to pay back the margin. I also want to get rid of SGOV. I have this money in here for taxes. I did my taxes, and this is what basically why I had this fund in here, was to basically put my tax money in here. So I'm just going to put this $5,000 in my savings account instead. So my portfolio is going to drop even more. That $5,000 is going to be taken out of my portfolio, and it's probably, my portfolio is going to be probably in the 40s now. And honestly, the majority of the reason why my portfolio hasn't grown is because the Yieldmax funds keep eroding. I mean, I could show you guys here. Yieldmax, YMAX, I'm down 25%. YMAG, I'm down 20%. Tesla, down 33%. Nvidia, down 34%. Phoebe, I'm down 18%. Coney, I'm down 51%, doing terrible on that one. Nefli, I'm down 5%. Nothing crazy with Nefli, but still I'm down. MSTY, I'm down 25%. AMZ, I'm down 12%. So from what I'm seeing, a lot of these Yieldmax funds struggle to recover their distribution. So I'm not going to invest into Yieldmax anymore. Again, this is my strategy heading forward. I'm just going to put my money into more stable plays. I don't care if I'm making less dividends every single month, if that, means, just stopping, putting my money into Yieldmax. I'd rather get less dividends and see a more better overall performance in my portfolio and better long-term potential, long-term gains in my portfolio. So Yieldmax, I'm sorry, but you guys got to change up the strategy. I know a lot of people are like, oh, hold on to the funds until you make your money back. Yeah, I get it. You hold on to it. Eventually, you get your money back with dividends. But either way, it's just basically, if a lot of these ETFs could also do a reverse split. So like Tesla, I know Tesla did a reverse split like a year and a half ago. And what sucks about those reverse splits is you lose your share count. Your share count gets divided in half, and then you got to build up the share count again. It just doesn't make any sense. With my investing strategy, it just doesn't make any sense. So this is my new strategy heading forward, guys. I know some of you probably have Yieldmax as well. My personal opinion, I would just hold on to the funds, get your money back with the dividends, and then throw the money into other more stable funds, maybe like a JEPQ, JEPB, or TSLP or SPY-T. There are other SPYI from NEOS. I know there are a lot of other great funds that do better overall. Yieldmax isn't really doing too well, so I'm going to stop investing into them. Especially I'm using margin, so think about it. You're putting money into funds that keep eroding. It doesn't make sense. So I'm stopping Yieldmax unless they change something. I'm stopping completely. So again, none of this is financial advice. You guys can do whatever you want. I'll still make videos every week to show you guys how much I'm making in dividends. And yeah, guys, let's see how my new investing strategy performs in the next couple months. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Check out the links down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, definitely use my link and you guys get a free stock. So I appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.